Good morning, students. So, yesterday we studied chapter 2, GUI operating system, desktop management. So, there we studied what is GUI and we studied the features of Windows 10. So, today all of you take page number 15. Today we are going to study about the taskbar. This blue color topic, no taskbar, this we are going to study today. So, in your laptop or in your computer system, you see at bottom side, there is a line. So we are, of course, we are studying Windows 10. So Windows 10 we are going to see this black color line, you can see. So this black color line, there so many menus are given. That is only taskbar. That line is only known as taskbar. So there are many like taskbar, status bar. So many are there. So today we are going to study about taskbar. See, the taskbar can be seen at the bottom of the screen as a long horizontal bar. So I told you horizontal line it is, that is known as taskbar. Bottom side of the computer screen it is given. It has the start button on its left side and the notification area on the right side. So if you can see, left side में start button होता है इसमें, and on the right side, you can see the notification area. Then the middle section of the taskbar is known as the quick launch bar. So middle section, you see that part is known as quick launch bar. The taskbar can be dragged to any of the four sides of the desktop. See, suppose this is your desktop screen, so you can take this taskbar. Here also you can keep it, if you want you can keep it here also and here also. Means आप फोर साइड्स में से किसी भी साइड में टास्कबार को रख सकते हैं. Then the taskbar can be dragged to any of the four sides of the desktop whenever we run a program, but button is automatically placed on the taskbar. We can activate the application window by clicking on its taskbar option. Suppose you are writing any program, this is your taskbar and you are writing any program. So what happens, you are writing any program and in that suddenly your button, आपका mouse button taskbar पर आ जाता है. So what is going to happen, you are randomly going to open new window, you are going to open new program in that. Then clicking the button again will minimize the application window. So if you want to close that what you have opened by false, so here if you click the button again, then it will close and whatever you are doing you will reach there. So next, when an application is active, its button is highlighted in a highlighter shade and appears to be pushed in. So suppose when some of your application is open, so here in blue color that button will be highlighted, that area which part you have opened, that will be highlighted in blue color. So it is easy for you to know that what you have opened. Then the Windows taskbar provides the easiest method to switch between active programs. Suppose you want to work on two different programs at same time, so you can switch. Suppose here is one program, you click here, it will open on the screen. Then you click here, it will open on the screen. So you work in this, then you want to work in this also. So the program which can be active, which you suppose you want to work in two programs at a time, so you can switch easily. Now coming to page number 16, just turn your pages. You can see the taskbar has the following three main sections. So I told you there are three main sections of taskbar. What are they? Start button, notification area and middle section. So see, first one we are going to study about start button. This is probably the most used button on the Windows desktop. So so see this start button. First we are going to study about this. So what is this start button? See, most of the times we are using this button. You have to go in any menu whenever you open taskbar, of course you are going to use this start menu. So this menu is very important. So this start button is also known as the start menu. See, this is probably the most used button on the Windows desktop. When we click on the start button menu, displaying the major options appears. This menu is known as the start menu. The options present in the start menu provide access to the main programs on the computer. See, कंप्यूटर पर जितने भी मेन प्रोग्राम्स होंगे, by pressing the start button, by clicking on the start button, you can see them easily. So next one is notification area. This area contains the clock and program icons that provide the status and notification about the program running on the computer, such that the antivirus program, software updates, sound speakers, battery status, date and time, etc. So टास्क बार पर नोटिफिकेशन एरिया का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. वाई? सी क्लॉक यू कैन सी देयर, डेट यू कैन सी, क्लॉक एंड डेट आइकॉन्स यू कैन सी देयर इन नोटिफिकेशन एरिया. सपोज कोई एंटीवायरस प्रोग्राम रन कर रहा है, यू कैन सी दैट ऑल्सो. अगर कोई सॉफ्टवेयर का अपडेट्स आता है, सो इन द मैसेज सेक्शन यू कैन सी दैट. आपको टास्क बार पर नोटिफाई हो जाएगा अपडेट के सिंबल से. सो सॉफ्टवेयर अपडेट्स आर देयर. And you know, sound speakers are also given downside, so you can increase the volume or decrease the volume. Battery status. So अगर आपको notification area पे हमेशा दिख रहा है how much percentage battery is there, so of course it is easy for you. Otherwise, suppose if you don't know how much battery is there and if you are using something you can't save, so it is tough for you. So next one, you can see date and time, these things. Then next one is middle section. This is the area between the start and the notification area. So start बटन एंड नोटिफिकेशन एरिया के मिडिल में जो एरिया होता है उसको हम मिडिल सेक्शन कहते हैं. इन द टास्क बार, here you can add commonly used programs such as Internet Explorer, Word application, Tux Paint program, etc. that can be opened or launched with a single click. Thus, this bar provides an easy and quick way to open the program. See, मिडिल सेक्शन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ऑन टास्क बार, बिकॉज इससे आपको जो प्रोग्राम ओपन करना है उसको आप वन क्लिक से बहुत ही ईजिली ओपन कर सकते हैं. प्लस सपोज एनी प्रोग्राम विच यू आर यूजिंग रैंडमली, यू आर यूजिंग सो मच, इट विल बी शोन ऑन टास्क बार लाइक इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर, then word application. And suppose if you want to add something, no, then on that middle section you can add also. So how to customize this taskbar we will study in our next class. So just to read the taskbar and the three main sections of taskbar.